mom and Yuvika.
My sister.
हर बार देखता हूँ मॉम सबके लिए कुछ ना कुछ बनाते रहते हैं. So this Women's Day, let me make something for her.
It's a surprise.
Surprise! Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day to all.
Happy Women's Day to all.